lovelies! So it's time for another Spooky Box Club unboxing in the garden again. It's too nice out here. Like, will I ever go back inside? Who knows? But this is the Bohemian box, which I am very excited about because I really do love sort of like boho stuff, I guess. So, and I have been very much in that kind of mood recently. And I have no idea what's in here and I'm so excited. Should I move a little closer? Probably, because there's a whole bunch of bumblebees on my sunflowers and one is going to end up getting stuck in my hair and no one wants that. Okay, right, so let me see, a bunch of little papers. Okay, there's the thing that says what's in here. I'll try to remember to read that. First up is a gothic henna nail decal set. Oh, this is really cute. Okay, so it's lots of just like different little like flowers and symbols, and there's some little like dream catchers and stuff. It's really, really cute. I will have to make some nails with these. Like, I love all the little moons and stuff. That's so lovely. You can't see it. There's like this group of magpies living around my garden at the minute, and they're so naughty and they cause so much chaos. Mom was just creeping up on me there to see what I was doing. Okay, next up is, ooh, Moroccan mint tea. So this is 100% spearmint, apparently. I'll open it up and have a smell. I mean, I know what it's gonna smell like, but oh, you don't need to tear it. Okay. Ooh. That smells really good, and it is just like mint. I'll have to try that out because that actually smells lovely. What the hell is that? Oh, even cuter. Okay, these are rock candy tea stirrers. I thought they were just candy, but it's for your tea and it would make your tea sweet. So it's just like little like crystallized sugar rock candy on these little wooden sticks, and you stir your tea with it and it would make it sweet. That's so cute. Oh my god. I'm pretty sure that's like an annoying kid somewhere just bashing the crap out of something. Pin! I love pins! Speaking of pins, you're like anyone who bought one of mine, you will have them soon. I am just waiting for the packaging to arrive. It was delayed and we had to end up like cancelling that order, and we've ordered it from a new place now because it was meant to be here like a week ago. Basically what I'm saying is pins are on the way soon. Oh, this is really nice. Look! But yeah, it's a cute little puff of smoke and then like a little lantern with bats in it. That is so cute. I love this, and I love how big it is as well. I wonder why I should put that on. Next up is something in a little bag. Oh, it's very jingly. I like it. I like wearing jingly things. Other people not so much. They don't enjoy it when I wear jingly things, but I like it. Ooh. So judging by the size of this, I'm gonna guess that this is an anklet rather than a bracelet. And it's very jingly, and it's just like little moons and bells, which is so cute. I really, really love this. Oh, cute! Next up is something adorable. I noticed something that fell out of the box, and I had a feeling there was a reason why, is a mood ring chart, and that's because we have a little coffin mood ring. That's so sweet. I used to love mood rings as a kid. They were just so much fun. And this one is a little coffin. So let's give it a second on my hand to see if it changes color. It's pretty warm out here, so I feel like it probably won't change very much. Oh, it is changing a bit. Ooh, okay. So it changed from deep blue, which is happy, to a lovely sort of pinkish purple, if you can see, and that is optimistic. Bleh. Optimistic is what I was going for there. Oh, it's kind of changing again. Right now it is a mixture of optimistic and mixed emotions, so I guess that fits. Oh, it's going completely. Hold on. Oh, it's a nice color now. I don't know, that's either mixed emotions or passion. Anyway, it's fun is what I'm saying. We'll see what it's like at the end of the video. There's a jar of some sort. Anyone who knows me knows how I feel about it. It's a drinking jar. Oh yes. Really any type of jar, but I especially love drinking jars. Oh! So this is a Marrakesh Market drinking jar, and it's like this pretty like texture, and it's glass as well. It's not plastic. And it has like a gold lid on it. I wonder if oh, there is a straw. Good. And it has a little reusable plastic straw, which is good. I try to, like, even if I'm having a drink in the house, like not in one of these glasses, I always steal the straws from them so that I don't use like disposable straws. So it's handy to have a bunch of these around even without the jars, just so I can use this and keep them. So yeah, little, let me put it in. That is really cute. I like this a lot. Oh no, we're down to the last thing. Dang it, I was enjoying that. Okay, ooh, it's something nice looking though. So it is a fabric-y thing of some sort. Oh, it's big. Oh. Oh! Are there any bumblebees? Hold on. So my guess is that this is probably a wall hanging, and I love it. It's so huge. I don't know where I want to put this. I wonder if there's anywhere it would go in my bedroom. My bedroom's not very big and it's pretty full. I will find somewhere for this because it is really, really pretty and cute. Assuming it is a wall hanging, it doesn't feel like a blanket or anything, so. Okay, so that was quite short, but I really, really like this box. The little candy tea stirrers, that's such a cute idea, and the pin is lovely. Okay, so, custom made Bohemian tapestry. Yes, it's a tapestry, we got that, I like that, Bohemian. Custom made Batty Boho lantern pin, yes, I enjoyed that. Custom made Moonbell anklet, yes. Custom made Transylvanian Dreams mood ring, yes. Oh, it's changed color again. What are we now? I would say somewhere in between relaxed and romance. It's kind of like a nice sea blue around the edges and then a little bit green in the middle. Okay. Marrakesh Market drinking jar, yes, we got that. Gothic henna nail decal set, yes. Moroccan mint tea sampler, yes, and rock candy tea stirrers. Yes, we got everything. That was so cute. I really, really enjoyed this box. I feel like, I want so many spooky boxes right now. Every time I have to wait between them, I'm like, I want to open things. So I really, really love this. So apologies if my videos are a bit spotty at the minute. I'm going to try to get like a bunch done soon here. I just need to get my video brain back. Like whenever you're not motivated specifically to do videos, it's really, really hard to like force yourself to do it. And it's not that I don't like doing videos, it's just I'm in a very being outside / crafting things mood right now. I've picked up my Niffler project again and it's going quite well so far. So hopefully he'll be done soon, and yeah, I just want to sit and look like a slob in my garden and craft things. So like, you know, getting dressed up and doing videos or like sitting in the house editing, things like that I'm just so not in the mood for, but I'll get myself back in there and I will get some fun stuff done. I do have like a fun beach vlog to edit and stuff, and I think a couple of other things. I need to check myself to edit, and I need to check my video list and see what I need to film. I know I have at least 2 hauls coming as well, but I want to do things that aren't hauls and unboxings as well. So let me know if there's anything in particular you'd like to see anytime soon. Honestly, I'm just trying to hold back from doing nothing but gardening videos right now because I know they're not for everyone, and I don't want people to be like, okay, she's a gardening channel now, I'm leaving. But I really do enjoy the gardening videos, but I'm going to do a few more videos, a few different videos before I do any more gardening ones, so stick with me. Look how well my sunflowers are doing though. Yeah, they just look so pleasant, and there's always so many bumblebees, and I love it. I just sit here and watch the bumblebees. And my pumpkins. I knew that the pumpkins get out of control. I was prepared for it, but now it's happening and I'm like, don't know what to do about it. The pumpkins are just going everywhere. So that's what I've been up to. What have you guys been doing this month? Have you done anything fun? What are your plans for next month? Also, I am coming to Summer in the City. That is a YouTube convention in London. It is on the weekend of August 11th. So like Friday, Saturday, Sunday. As for my schedule right now, I don't know if I have everything, but I believe I should be doing a panel on alternative fashion at 3 p.m. on Sunday. I don't know if that's going to change, but that's currently what I've been told. And I will be doing some meet and greets, but none of them are official through Summer in the City, so if you don't see me on the ballot, that's why. There will be a meet and greet with a bunch of other lovely creators. I will link all of their YouTube channels in the description below. It's a bunch of alternative creators, which is really nice, and we'll be doing a meet and greet sort of outside the Summer in the City building, and I will see if there's also time for maybe another meet and greet over the weekend, but that will all be like free. You don't have to pay to see me. If you want to go Summer in the City, I'll still need tickets, but the meet and greet itself isn't going to be anything you have to pay for, so don't worry about that. So if you can get to London that weekend, come by and see me, because I would really, really love to meet you all, and if you can come to the panel, that'd be great. And yes, I will see you in the next video. Sorry for the ramble. Bye, lovelies!